Let us promise to keep Pakistan safe and strong forever. And bravery. Our soldiers protected Pakistan with faith and discipline. Major Aziz Bhatti and many other martyrs gave their lives for the country. It is a day of pride for every Pakistani. India attacked Pakistan, but our army fought with great bravery. The whole nation stood up like a strong wall. Many heroes gave their lives to defend their homeland. Thank you. On 6 September, Pakistan remembered the sacrifices of their brave soldiers. School, college, and army units organized events to honor them. This day reminds us always love and protect our homeland. Thank you. सबसे आला होने की जब से हमारा पाकिस्तान मेरा and with pride for Pakistan they fought, they died. ये शब कदीरा सहर और इंतजार था जिसका ये वो शहर तो नहीं ये वो शहर तो नहीं जिसकी आस में लेकर चले थे आगे मिल जाएगी कहीं ना कहीं फलक के दश्त की तारों की आखिरी मंजिल कहीं तो होगा शबे सुस्त मौज का साहिल कहीं तो जाके I want to occupy Pakistan. But what happened? But Pakistan, a great soldier fight and win.
Very. They fight that very crazy.
जारी सारी रहते हम हर फर्ज को हो साथ से मुल्क मुकद्दम मिट्टी जो कभी मांगे दिलो on 6 September every year it reminds us of great courage of our soldiers